Hi guys! I'm so excited because I'm working on my new branding and packaging workshop. It's a new version of it, and I got so much good feedback from the previous clients that I've kept a few nuggets from the previous workshop. But what I've done this time, I created a quiz that will, make it easier for you to see if you should be one of the attendant of this workshop. Um, this workshop is for people who really want to succeed, but understand that building a brand takes time. It's not magic. For some people, it can happen within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or during the course of 6 weeks. And most of my clients have, gone from no presence on social media to truly build a great brand on social media, both for themselves and the personal brand and for the business. So you will get a lot of tools, but it's not a workshop for people who don't want to do the work and don't want to be seem vulnerable, or don't think it's and don't want to embrace the great qualities of social media. I mean, in this workshop, you can decide one platform or you can be on all the platforms. So I'm not saying that you have to be on every platform of social media, but still, this is not a workshop for somebody who don't want to be on social media and still want to build their brand. So I am really excited to see who takes this quiz, and do send the answers to me. And I'm excited to see who comes in the door this time and who I will be working with throughout this year and next year. Take care and send me the answers. Lots of love.